Kasapulan yuti makinarya
Tenteren gan.
Ropali training di papanan.
Hello sir, happy birthday po. I wish you all the best and may God bless you always and enjoy your day sir. Happy birthday.
To my worthy brother from different mother, Police Lieutenant Colonel Francisco Romulo Daraway Villaflor. Sir, happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life. May our great architect of the universe guide, protect, and bless you always. And my snappy salute to you, sir. Happy birthday, cheers, and enjoy.
Happy birthday, sir. Sir, mabaling kag-retire, dudugan kan.
Maligayang kaarawan po, Sir Kiko. Naway pagpalain ka ng ating Panginoon at ipagkaloob pa ang maraming maliligayang kaarawan. Happy birthday po, Sir Pogi.
Happy birthday, sir. Wishing you a day filled with joy, laughter, and happiness. Parang kanina, sir, sobrang saya natin dahil panalo tayo sa basketball.
Imbag nga aldaw, apa nagkasangay mo, nataragi kan nagnanam nga hepe mi. Sabay ko ma, tayo kan nakabay, ti atatidog nga panagbiag ti apo. Kinadadupay ko ma, ti mamamom nga babalasak, ta friendly kami, kakunam. God bless you, sir. I love you.
Sir, good morning, sir. Happy birthday, sir. Our handsome and good formerly Cagayan PFPO Provincial Chief. I would like to greet you. Happy birthday, sir. Many more birthday to come. Love you always. God bless in your family. And sana, sir, padalhan mo kami ng aming maiinom. Salamat po, sir. Good day and salute you, sir.
Happy birthday, sir!